Did you know that you can make up to $120 just by doing nothing? You will know exactly how you can do this after you watch this video, so make sure to stick with me until the end of it. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $120 per hour just by doing nothing. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. Before that, if you want to earn $4,000 to $10,000 every month, so I am going to give you one course. If you find one emoji, which I have hidden in this video, you have to tell me your answer in Instagram. I will give the link in description. If you are right, then you will get those $100 course absolutely free. In the method I am going to tell, you do not need to invest any experience and money. This method is absolutely free. So make sure you will watch this video completely. So if you have not liked the video and subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe quickly. Welcome to X Finance. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Step number 1.